Hello guys, iLollyStyle back with a new honest review video. Okay, so the video is about Fort Barchon and it's located in Belgium, close to the Airsoft fabric or power central. The field is mixed in CQB and outside. My first impression was not that great. I already saw big open spots and not much cover. So the three topics where I'm going to speak about are field, organization and location, and afterwards my end opinion. Okay, the field is an old fortress from World War I. On Wikipedia there is more interesting info about the fortress. For me as a sniper it was okay to play there, the only problem was the wind on that day. Because if you stand on the fort there is no cover, so it means that your BBs don't go far. I didn't go inside because I felt it was unsafe. There were many stairs that were easy to fall off, no light inside, so only flashlight. So if you wanted to go stealth and save it at the same time, that would have been a hard job. In my opinion, the field wasn't used to its max potential. I will show you on the map. Spawn 1 was my first spawn and it was a long run to get to a good position. If you wanted to get to the other side of the field, you needed to go through the safe zone before you reach the other side. That's crazy. So you could pass enemies in the safe zone and waited for some time to kill them later. I was in respawn, refilling my sniper and watched some guys doing it. My opinion, players could easily forget about taking their max out in the safe zone or too close action. So not very safe if you think about it. So I give this field a score of 6 out of 10. Next point, organization. Briefing was good and fun but a little long. But of course it's almost everywhere. Safety first. I had a feeling that the marshals didn't do anything. I saw them standing but that was it. Even when you hit a guy like a couple of times, they didn't say anything, even I yelled at them, but no response. And they were only standing on some areas of the field. The game modes that they gave us were terrible. They gave us a long mission and 8 of the 10 players didn't know what to do. A lot of fields make complicated missions, why not make it simple? Most of us only play on Saturday and Sunday, if you know what I mean. So overall I give organization a 6 out of 10. So that brings us on number 3, location. For me it was 1.5 hour drive. It was too long for me for this field. The location itself was nice and gives you a little the World War feeling. So what I will change are the game modes like Search and Destroy, Capture Flag or Domination. Basic and fun game modes will be better on this field. So in my opinion the spawn location should be across each other, because then the action will take place in the green circle. So for example, if you play Domination, there should be 3 flags outside, 1 flag inside the bunker, and in the green zone more cover to play with. I understand it's a hard place to make something from it. It's not perfect to play Airsoft on it, but it's nice to go and play for once. So overall the field is not my favorite, but also not the worst field I played on. I will play there once or twice a year tops. The rating for this field is a 6 out of 10. So total score for Barchon is 18 out of 30. If they made the necessary arrangement, that would have a higher overall score. Let me know what you like or don't like about this field. Thanks for watching, iLollyStyle out.